This is the newly modernized staff elevator, although it doesn't say staff only. I guess they just haven't put the sign up yet. At Hillman Library at the University of Pittsburgh in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was another Westinghouse modernized in 2004 by Otis with Elevonic 411M, but now it's been modernized by Schindler 6400 with Mad BS Classic. So the small center opening cab is just modern. Chime's quiet. It's 4. Ground floor is now open. This elevator wasn't running when I was here for ground floor's open, but now it's running. Ground floor's open. Elevator's running. Here we go.
Going up.
It's like a small COP. It might be a little slower than it was before. Here 4. Back on the ground.
Going down.
It's a basic stainless steel cab. Same cab with the lighting on the side with the peripheral style. Same flooring, same cab. Here, background. Yeah, I seem to remember it was faster before. Didn't think it was that slow. That's not a public hallway. It's a service corridor. I don't like what it looks like. Closing that's gonna be it.